gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do what.
Just another quick shop update. I ran ahead and restocked on the Series 2 Kapibarasan Pancake Squishies. And I only have the white bun. Now, I did have the Series 1 available on my website. I'm not sure if they're still available. The Series 1 is slightly different than the Series 2. But these are very squishy. So if you want them, I do have them available on my website. Of course, the link to this item will be in the description box below. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of rare squishies on there, and I post majority of my shop updates first on there. So you can get first dibs on things if you want it first. Okay, first. Anywho, that is all. I will see you later. Well, y'all will see me later in the next video. How about that? Yeah. Ta-ta.